Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around this approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Dynamic Se. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the wonderful Hakuba Silver. Let's begin our journey from the front of this Velar, where we will see the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, you'll see features courtesy of your black exterior pack, as you see your black roof rails coming down to your 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you will see your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your LED tail lights. Opening your power tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar. Rear passengers will be impressed with their ebony perforated grain leather seats. Glimpsing into your cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory front seats, which are heated, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a closer look at your heated multifunctional steering wheel, which has a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed. Moving over to your Pili Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera and your 360 parking aid, where you will also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your touchscreen systems. You will also be able to see your heated seat functions as well as your climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thanks for watching.